They called him the strangest man in physics. Not the brightest, not the fastest. He was the strangest mind. His name was Paul Dirac. Born in Bristol in 1902, his father was a Swiss teacher, strict, cold, controlling. He had one rule in the house: you could only speak to him in French. And when young Paul couldn't find the words in French, he stopped speaking. Not just at dinner, not just at home. Paul Dirac went completely quiet. Years later, he said he never knew love or affection as a child. But that silence became something extraordinary. He studied engineering at Bristol, then mathematics. Then he went to Cambridge. At 23, he completed a PhD, one of the first PhD theses on quantum mechanics ever written. His Cambridge colleagues measured how much he spoke. They invented a unit of measurement, 1 word per hour. They called it a Dirac. But when Dirac sat down to write mathematics, something happened that changed physics forever. In 1928, aged just 25, he wrote a single equation. It united quantum mechanics with Einstein's relativity, 2 pillars of physics that nobody could connect. A quiet boy from Bristol did it with a pen. But the equation had a problem. It predicted something that shouldn't exist. A mirror particle, identical to an electron, but opposite. Other scientists said he was wrong. He said nothing at all, because he didn't need to. In 1932, they found it. It was antimatter, exactly as predicted. Exactly where his equations said it would be. The 25-year-old's mathematics had predicted matter that didn't exist yet. The following year, they gave him the Nobel Prize. He was 31. In fact, he nearly refused it. He hated publicity so much, he wanted to turn it down. Someone told him refusing would create even more attention, and so he reluctantly accepted. They offered him a knighthood. He turned that down too. He didn't want to be called Sir. He was given Newton's chair at Cambridge, the same position Isaac Newton held. He held it for 37 years, and through it all, barely spoke a word. Today, his memorial stone lies in Westminster Abbey. Right next to Isaac Newton, every MRI scanner in every hospital uses his equation. Every particle accelerator on Earth is built on his work. Every smartphone chip traces back to his mathematics. The quietest man in physics built the loudest legacy. Did they teach you about Paul Dirac? They taught you Einstein. They taught you Hawking. They never mentioned the quiet man from Bristol who connected their worlds. A boy who was told to be quiet became the man whose mathematics changed the world. Every person who supports us helps bring stories like his back to life. Proudofus.co.uk. Be part of us. Be proud of us.